Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to make a butterfly with a rubber band. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have this rubber band. I'm going to start off by putting it around my index finger and my thumb, just like that. Now I'm going to reach through here underneath this and grab this strand, twist it, place it around my pinky, just like that. Now here's where it gets a little bit complicated. I'm going to reach down into the thumb loop right here, and I'm going to pick up this strand right here, pull it down just like that. Then I'm going to use my middle finger to go underneath and into this pinky loop, just like that. And I'm going to grab this strand right over here, just like that. We've now created a star, okay? What we're going to do now is release the pinky and the thumb. You have this little sign right over here, this little symbol right over here. And I'm going to take my pinky, place it into here, and my thumb, place it into here. And we're going to hold it like that. So as you can see right here, we have it in one hand, and we've now freed up the other hand. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab this strand right over here. I'm going to pull it down and twist it. And once it's been twisted, I'm going to put my index and my middle finger through it like that. And I'm going to add in this finger as well. So I have my 3 middle fingers through here. This has been twisted, okay? Now I'm going to take my middle finger, grab onto this that my pinky's holding, take my index finger, grab onto this that my thumb is holding, okay? Just like this, okay? And what I'm going to do now is take this part, the lowest strand that you can see right here, and I'm going to bring it behind like that, okay? So this is what it looks like right now. It almost looks like it's a star inside of a star, which is also another cool little thing. Now all that I have to do is release my index finger right over here at the top, and we now have a butterfly. As you can see right here, if I pull that in on the inside, we've now created this awesome little butterfly figure, and we did it with just using a simple rubber band. And if I pull this in, it looks even cooler if I bring these sort of together like that. That's it. If you really like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.